Today, we're going to make Hydrogenia flower keychains. To make these, you will need floral fabric. Grab a bowl or any round-shaped object to trace around. Grab any small circular object and use it as a stencil to draw 19 circles onto the fabric. Draw these on the back side. Then, flip it over to the front side. Stitch around these circles using white thread and a needle. Then start stitching around these circles, one by one, in a zigzag pattern. Then pull the thread. Grab some beads. Start stitching these beads, one by one, onto the circles on the fabric. Then fill it in with polyester. Then stitch the bottom to secure. Now for the fun part. Grab some green felt. Let's add some leaves to these Hydrogenia flowers. Cut the felt into small pieces in the shape of leaves. Grab some light green thread. Make this pattern while stitching. Glue these leaves onto the flower. You can turn these flowers into anything you like. I turned them into hair clips, hair ties and keychains. Watch the video till the end for a surprise. To make the keychain, grab some string. Make a knot at the top, leaving some string open. Grab some lace and make a knot like this. Glue on the string. You can either glue or stitch these onto the lace. I glued them on. And you're done. This is so beautiful. I made this as a gift for my lovely grandmother. I hope you liked this idea. Follow my channel for more easy and unique ideas like this.
Thanks for watching.